Congratulations on purchasing a Ryobi 18-volt 36cm lawnmower kit, model number RLM18X36L40. When unpacking this lawnmower, you will find a 4Ah battery and 2A charger, a 45-litre hardtop catcher, a user manual and instruction assembly guide, including handle knobs and bolts, as well as power retaining clips, the upper handle assembly, which is attached to the lawnmower, and the lawnmower itself, which includes the lower handle assembly, which has already been installed. Assembly. Take the bolts and knobs out and remove the bolts from the assembly. We'll also take out the cord retaining clips, as we'll need them later. And we'll set up the lower handle assembly. You need to rotate it to this position and then use these cam locks to actually tighten them into place. Once it gets to a point like this, it's actually snapped it into position, then you want to close the cam lock. You do not need to force it. So now I'm going to show you how to install the upper handle assembly. Firstly, I'm going to take my bolts only for both sides, and we're going to get my upper handle assembly and fix it into position. You see these 3 holes here give you the ability to adjust the length of the handles. Easiest way to install these is actually to put the bolt in first. So I'm going to do that and click it into place. I'm then going to do that on the other side as well. I'm then going to take the 2 knobs and install them to secure it in place. I'm then going to grab the 2 cord retaining clips. These help just keep this out of the way when mowing. There's 2 pre-drilled positions that these little clips are designed to stay, like so. Then take the power cord and secure it into position. After that, we would take the catcher and install the catcher onto the unit. Turn the unit around and pull up the flap. These 2 hooks here are designed for the catcher, for these 2 pieces, the metal part of the frame of the catcher, to click into position. So as a result, you take the catcher and click it into place and close the lid. So on this particular unit, the red safety key is installed. You can remove this if desired, and the mower will not start even if there is a battery installed. The other point to mention is the cutting heights. On this particular unit, a firm hold on the upper handle here, and you can raise or lower the cutting heights as desired. Take your fully charged 4Ah battery, open the cover here, and click the battery into place, pushing down and waiting for an audible click to know that it's secured in position correctly. Close the top, then come to the upper handles here. You need to press the middle button first and hold that in. Then you can pull either of these 2 levers to start the lawnmower. Once it starts up, you can release the middle button. As soon as you release that switch, the unit will automatically shut off for safety reasons.
Ryobi, a cut above.